Guys, I'm so excited. Queen just dropped the video. Straight out of Jamaica review on my phone right there. No, bop, bop, bop. No, I'm not gonna lie. Queen, you look clean. You look clean, bad. No, sir, you love fit your girl. You tell me you love me, but I ain't feeling it lately. You give me, I'm gonna big up my screen. Hold on there. Oh, Jesus, Queen. Where you been? Where you been? Who is that big screen? Watch Chris. Hey! My intuition never lie. Already got the screenshot. Yes, Queen. Work it, girl. Madam! Hey! Hey! I've been out here being faithful. I've been locked down. Stable. What I gotta do, give you a taste of your own medicine. Yeah, yeah.
How would you like it if I do the things you do?
Put you on. We're down with that, Clarence! No, pauses. Guys, that is Claire Bear right there. Me can't take it, Queen. Queen. No. Hold on.
I'm a ride, I'm crazy.
No, sir. No. This is too much. This is too much. No, sir. No. Wait. Sorry. I'm not seeing properly and I'm behaving really, really bad. Is Queen Chrissy kissing Clarence? No, me need to back up right here, so. Me have to back up right here, so. Hold on there. No! Me can't believe. No, seriously. No, wait. Me can't manage. Hold on.
Don't get it twisted. I can
No, sir, Queen, you shot me. No, Clarence! Queen! No, Queen, you look good, girl, but this video is too much for me. I'm like totally shaking, straight out of Jamaica. Big up on yourself. I can't bother. You see, guys, motion couldn't see my face, but I don't know how to do split screen something, so I just have to record it on my computer, and I can't bother. Wait.
When I know who they crying, why this shit up again?
No, sir! Watch it, boy, Chris.
Wanna see the look on your face when I drop my
Clothes and I get naked. Not for you. Just for him. No. Me cannot be. This is too spicy. Spicy with my left tongue. Spicy.
How could you play me when the love I gave was real? I even took you back and
You ain't got no chill. Boy, you ain't ever learn. Play. No, sir. This boy, Queen, you behave nasty, man, no? You behave body come like you when I wait for the divorce to come. Me hear say divorce, me don't know if I true. They might assume. But you come like you when I wait for the divorce to come. Me can't bother. No.
think you'll understand till I hit you where it hurts, yeah. So I guess I know where
Watch Chris or watch. I say forget him, man. No, Queen, this is out of order. Me cannot believe. How do we like it if I do the things you do? Put you on, do not disturb and entertain these dudes. I'm alright, I'm crazy, and you never had a clue. Gave another anything that belongs to you. I'ma call up Brian. Boy, me can't bet how Chris supposed to crush inside right now. Men normally do these things to ladies and sometimes women crush and they never bounce back. I'm glad how Queen bounce back and show Chris say how things go. When you have a good woman, hold on pan her and hold on pan her strong because when she gone, she not come back. Okay? Yes? No, sir. No, sir. Queen, you're comfortable with Clarence, though. If you say you're not afraid. Look how Clarence a smile. Watch his smile on Clarence's face. Watch his smile on Clarence's face. No, sir. Me can't bother.
Would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah?
All of those tears I So when I turn into a savage boy, don't ask me why. Ask me why. Why? And Claire Bear. That's apparently the bear that Claire Bear gave to her. Boy, I favor Chris though, I'm not telling a lie.
You would taste your own medicine.
Oh my god, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe.